Bethany Institute of Resource Development, Umsning, Meghalaya, commonly known with its acronym BIRD, is an empowering center launched on 4th March 2017 by the Northeast Province of the Congregation of Bethany Sisters in honor of their founder, Reverend SD Raymond Francis Camillus Mascarenhas. It is dedicated to their dear founder and the founding members, Mother Martha, Sister Clare, Sister Lourdes, and Sister Gertrude. By the grace of God and the generosity of the congregation and the donors, an attractive facility is built up. The BIRD has its goal and objectives. The goal: holistic development of the people of Northeast India through empowerment of and leadership building. Objectives: to train young people in personality development, leadership, and good governance, to empower them to work for the justice and peace building in the society, to organize trainings on human rights for all categories of people, to aim at acquiring a life of dignity for all, and especially train persons as paralegal personnel to safeguard youth power in the region from the threat of drugs and behavioral deviance through trainings in life skills and career guidance, to promote socio-economic empowerment of women and youth through skills trainings, to undertake motivation building among young people to care for the common home, earth, to ensure eco-friendly lifestyle and promote alternative health care. The motto of the center is towards life and fullness. It is to empower youth, children, especially girls, women and others who cannot go out of Northeast to prestigious institutes which is also not affordable to them. The Institute BIRD is designed to accommodate such needy sections of young people from all parts of Northeast India, even from interior villages, and conduct life-enhancing courses, providing with necessary guidance for life coping skills so that they are led towards a better life of dignity and life in fullness. It offers opportunity to develop self-esteem and leadership capacity. They in turn can contribute towards enhanced life and livelihood in their family, community and village. Skilling Youth Power SYP1 was inaugurated on 18th November 2021. Goal and objectives of SYP1. Number 1. To grow in fullness of life by one's holistic development. 2. To be empowered. 3. To develop leadership qualities, to be a leader back in the village. 4. To be aware of God experience. 5th. To grow in Christian faith. 6th. To grow into a compassionate person towards all. 7. To grow in team spirit through a fruitful community living. 8. To develop talents and strengths. 9. To discover and cultivate new talents. 10. To learn from all experiences, from what is taught from one another. 11. To cultivate cultural integration in order to create a peaceful and loving communities in the Northeast India and West Bengal. 12. To master skills in tailoring and dress designing, to be self-reliant.
I have been here at BIRD for the past 3 years imparting tailoring and designing skills. It is a joy to be able to see that sisters provide this opportunity to these young ladies at affordable fees.
Since we felt the need to zero down into smaller groups, the more committed students, so that we want to reignite those motivation and keep training you in the future to follow. having thanked the Lord for this special event, we are especially privileged and deeply happy that Bethany Institute of Resource Development, the very special training of the congregation and of the province, has this chance today to have this training and to have our special guest for this occasion.
Nilitumda kiwang ningarong pigla, lapen nilitumda kacharli computer, lapen dress designing, lahai kacharli nitum ningarong pigla, lapen sister tumbenda ajar ason nangkithan itum mesen penarang litum ben charli longlo ningarong pigla.
Nilitum la sodim kiwang pen ningarong pig la sorong adim lang meo. Nang litum sitame dak wang nitum ason nang charli dum me. Dak nangkithan anta meo sister dumada itum han nangkithan me pig tailoring computer class la hai sitame charli dum me pig kasi karbeng long state ko antum youth tum do ka be wang la dak nang charli dum
Hengmun kan suasana ni tuan hetu chunga kan thiam suat tam ta khi chorchang kai kan tuma athei te ani chuanin kalza kan tuma heta kan zir chwa angzeli sumlak lu puinan kan man thei kan ring kalame
Ro phaya bar kan khak cha ma to ha mangming khe asu hak cha mani phaye ro jo to juda parani pro ro be malaye khe to mom ba ye akhe sister ro pa chung no kaham khe nai yo akhe kaham krong khe no phrongo
Kurumzari ma Manipur ai huzik Muslim ki Meghalaya mafam sida lai ado ai designing computer and English training to basal lile ado huzik ai je mafam sida yam hadi sister khoi ga lai bada yam nungai ba hadi yam kana ba phangba ingonda mayam da su yam kana ningai oina ba la ona haizari
ngapoy siya niya dahil baka jing inform jing ini sister niya po sister Good Shepherd tegi sister Good Shepherd ki inform gino yani tegi ang don ka training ako umsning te ngakran phone bah kin mo la ya kran bah bati la ya kran hayo late ben na maka ajing mentoy te ya pi te ngadon kin mata ka im mo don ka jing thmu kan o da ka bahangan late ben ngan late persyang temo bung jupoy late akan late mo anda late asyari singi la te banyan hala jong kakchat tengi wan ke chane ipoy chane bangi singo sarong hiru bangi ya ngi yakane ka bird po umsning kata ka training chapang kumno bangin kam expert nane ban kam lang ban kran katin English ban communicate lang ban kran lang ban kiwe ki sai ben rio kumno bangin nang ban le haki computer ban kumno bangin la ken ban ben iya ta kasab jongi ha kabaya dai ban ka tailoring designing ki ba phe
paliang jonga kan tulang ya phi baro ki kun samla jo gabri unyuk tram bakin sobha ban wat ki jingtip ban yawan training lang hangane ka center hane po umsning khamtam na banta gitu ki ba song yeng mo ki ba i no steng por ki school jongki kanang ba ki maki lada ki wan hangne kinyo sibun gijing mentoy kumbangi ngi syam hagane ka jaka niyo sibun gijing mentoy haga bangin persyang ban yang halagi joki kejat ban yarap ka ying kasem.
So far, Bird, under its first competent and creative director, Sister Clare Mendonça BS, has empowered over 1,000 people, mainly young people from various segments of Northeast India, providing skills training and empowerment programs. Bird also has organized various formation programs for Bethany sisters of all provinces of India, counseling skills to principals and BES teachers. It is our desire that the bird spread its wings far and wide, soar high and reach out to many more persons, young people, that they may be able to say, Bird has grown, blossomed, and borne plenty of fruits for the holistic welfare and fullness of life to all those who need to fly a bit higher than where they were.